Hello, quick unboxing. This time it's for the Palit GameRock GeForce RTX 3090 OC graphics card, which comes in a very sparkly box. Very nice. So let's get it open and have a look. Gonna have to just lift it up a little bit and try and drop the card out. There we go. There's a user manual. Yeah, I'm not quite sure how useful that's going to be. It's multilingual. Plug the card in, install the drivers in about 40 different languages. Bit of foamy stuff. That's an RGB cable. 3 connectors, so it's the digital 5-volt one. That's a little splitter cable, so that you can convert some 6 pins into an 8 pin if you need to, depending on your power supply. GeForce RTX. Please install this Sag Holder to support the GeForce RTX board to prevent sagging. There's something in there. Let's see if I can just gently peel this open. Might not be possible to do it gently, and it isn't. Should probably have cut that. Doesn't matter though. So it's a Perspex bar, quite thick. It's got the film on it to protect it, GeForce RTX on it, and there's a little set of screws and a little sort of wedgy bit. Not quite what you do with that. I guess that goes underneath the card or something, so that it props it up. Oh my, nothing else in the box, so we'll slide that out of the way. Oh my goodness, this is absolutely enormous. Wow, that's huge. Out of the way, let's just get the card. Please wait for the graphics cards to cool if you, yeah, so don't take it out the computer while it's hot. Oh my goodness, that's pretty amazing. Great big heatsink on there. Quite a substantial metal back plate on there as well, but they still supply the anti-sag thing, so I guess they're being ultra cautious. But that's absolutely massive, and there's three 8-pin power connectors on the back, and that little one there, that's the RGB connector, so that you can use your motherboard to control the pretty lights on it. And this is like it's plastic, but it's like a plastic sort of lens thing. There's obviously LEDs in there. That's quite astonishing. It's a full 3-slot card. That's not 2.5, is it? That's going to be 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 display port, 1 HDMI. Pretty weighty. That you can see light through, so it sort of follows the reference design a bit in that fan there blows straight through. And there's a bit at the back there. So we'll pop that back on there. So yeah, that's that's pretty amazing. Yeah, wow, can't wait to get that in the PC. Yeah, so any questions, any comments, stick them in the comments. Liking and subscribing is always appreciated. And as ever, thanks for watching.